Now, if your Valve Index base station is blinking red and you're wondering how do you fix it, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, the first thing that you may want to do here is you may want to check the power. Now start unplugging the base station here and wait for about 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Now if you can, try a different outlet just to rule out power issues. Sometimes it's as simple as a loose plug or a bad socket causing that red light to flash. And next is you may want to restart everything here. Go ahead and turn off both the base station, close your Steam VR, or restart your PC. Once your computer is back on, open Steam VR again, power up the base station. A quick reboot like this helps refresh the connection between your devices and often clears temporary errors. Next is you may want to check your positioning. Make sure your base station are placed securely and can see both your play area and each other clearly. Avoid anything blocking their view, even shiny surfaces or sunlight can interfere. They rely on line of sight, so the clearer the view, the better. Now, next is you may want to verify that they're synced. Now, check if the base stations are using the same sync method. If you're using a sync cable, make sure it's plugged in firmly on both ends. Now, if you're syncing wirelessly, check the small mode switch on the back. Both need to be set correctly to talk to each other, so a mismatch here can easily trigger that red blinking. And you may want to check for updates. Now, open up Steam VR, look for any firmware updates for your base station. It's also worth checking the device list to see if one shows any specific error messages. Keep the firmware current, helps prevent these glitches from coming back. And finally, you may want to test them one at a time. Try powering one base station while keeping the other unplugged. If one still blinks red while the other works fine, you've found your culprit here. At that point, it could be a hardware fault, and contacting Valve support would be the best move. And that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.